Welcome to the lecture series on basic mathematics. I am Dr. Mohammad Mazharul Haq. Already we have started matrices in algebra, and in previous lecture we have seen what are the special types or specific types of the matrices, and some special types already we have seen after that, and after understanding the definition of matrix. Today we'll see what is the matrix operation, how to perform the operation on the matrix, and how to calculate those operations. So objective of the today's lecture is to understand what will be the addition of the matrix, subtraction of the matrix, and scalar multiplication of the matrix. Linear combination of the matrices also we'll see. This is just an specific type of those addition, subtraction, and scalar multiplication. Start with the matrix addition. Addition of the matrix, whenever we are talking about the addition of the matrix, this is similar to the usual addition of our real numbers, but only the difference is what? Whenever we are taking addition here, we are taking the addition element wise. So what it means, जब भी हम एडिशन मैट्रिक्स का एडिशन लेते हैं तो यहाँ के जो एंट्री रहेगा फर्स्ट एंट्री का एडिशन यहाँ की फर्स्ट एंट्री से ही होगा, यहाँ की सेकंड एंट्री का एडिशन यहाँ की सेकंड एंट्री से ही होगा. समझ में आया? राइट. मैं एक एग्जांपल लेता हूँ. मीन्स अभी इसको हम अगर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट में डिनोट करेंगे तो यहाँ जो पोजीशन है, यहाँ पर जो पोजीशन है उसी से ऐड होगा. जैसे फर्स्ट रो की एंट्री से ही ऐड होगी, सेकंड रो की एंट्री से ही ऐड होगी. एग्जांपल से और क्लियर हो जाएगा. ये दो एग्जांपल्स हैं. एक एग्जांपल है जिसके अंदर दो मैट्रिसेस हैं, और यहाँ पे एक बात आपको समझने की बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है कि एडिशन कब पॉसिबल है, जब ये मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर और ये मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर सेम रहे. ऑर्डर मीन्स नंबर ऑफ रोज. हमने पिछले स्लाइड्स में देखा था, पिछले लेक्चर्स में देखा था कि ऑर्डर क्या रहता है. ऑर्डर क्या रहता है बोलो? नंबर, यस, नंबर ऑफ रोज एंड नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स. हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ रोज हियर? 2. नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स 3. यहाँ पे क्या है? हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ रोज? 2. 1 2. Number of columns 3. 1 2 3. So order of these two matrices are same. दोनों matrices का order same है, right? So addition is possible. और addition how? कैसे होगा addition? Yeah, element wise. So first entry will be added to the first entry. Second entry will be added to the second entry. Likewise, this third entry will be added to this third entry. Right? Understand? समझ में आया? Okay. So we'll add these two matrices element wise, and writing of the matrices addition is like this: first matrix, second matrix, plus we'll add element wise 5 plus 6, 2 plus 7, 3 plus minus 2, 1 plus 3, 2 plus 5, 7 plus 19. So this addition is very simple. So this will be the addition. So 5 plus 6 11, 2 plus 7 9, 3 minus 2 1, 1 plus 3 4, 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 19 26. So this is the addition. Let us take one more. Take these two matrices. What is the order of this matrix? क्या है इसका order? ये matrix का order क्या है? 1 2 3, 3 rows, columns 1 2 3 4. So 3 by 4 ये matrix का order है. तो दूसरे मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर भी क्या होगा? 3 by 4 ही होगा. तभी एडिशन, देन ओनली एडिशन इज पॉसिबल. So first, second, third, 3 rows, columns 1 2 3 4. So 4 columns are there. So addition is possible here. So take the addition element wise. First entry to the first entry. Addition of these two matrices means addition of each entry wise 25 20 25 3 4 2 0. ये सब ऐड होंगे आपस में. 5 plus 3, 10 plus 6, 15 plus 15, 25 plus 21, 6 plus 4, 16 plus 1. समझ में आ रहा है ये? हाँ, right? So the addition of these number is usual one. So this is the addition of these two matrices. So got the addition of matrix. In the same way, the subtraction of the matrix will be there. So subtraction is nothing but the special type of the addition. So subtraction में भी क्या होगा? एलिमेंट वाइज सब्सट्रैक्शन होगा. जो पोजीशन यहाँ पे है सेम पोजीशन यहाँ पे रही. So with the example we'll start. यहाँ पे the order of this matrix same examples लेंगे हम. 2/3, मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर क्या है ये 2/3, तो सेकंड मैट्रिक्स की भी क्या हो जाएगी ऑर्डर 2/3 रहेगी, तभी सब्सट्रैक्शन पॉसिबल है, देन ओनली द सब्सट्रैक्शन इज पॉसिबल, राइट। सो take the subtraction of these two matrices element wise, 5 minus 6, 2 minus 7, 3 minus minus plus, or 1 minus 3, 2 minus 5, 7 minus 19, ये एलिमेंट वाइज हम सब्सट्रैक्शन करेंगे। सो द सब्सट्रैक्शन यूजुअल वे से करेंगे, 5 minus 6 minus this minus 5, this 5, this minus 2, this minus 3, this 12, so this is the subtraction। अभी जो एग्जांपल लिया था उसको वापस सब्सट्रैक्शन लेंगे, सेम order of this matrix क्या है, what is the order of this matrix 3/4, right? Likewise this matrix 3/4, so the subtraction is possible, we can take the subtraction element wise, so 25 minus 20, 20 minus 5, 3 minus 4, 2 minus 0, element wise, likewise each entry, right? This one 5, right? And whenever you are taking such type of example, try to write these examples को लिखने की कोशिश करो, लिख के जब solve करेंगे, whenever you are trying to solve by writing, then the task you will get easier. Now the next operation is the scalar product. So for any matrix, if you multiply any number, कोई भी matrix के लिए scalar multiplication कैसे करेंगे? So for multiplying any number means what? Multiplying that number to each element of the matrix. हर एलिमेंट को वो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तो उसको बोले हम स्केलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन। फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज a matrix and if you want to multiply this 2 times a, so these two will be multiplied to each entry of this matrix, हर एंट्री से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, this one, this one, this one, even this one, this one, this one, हर एंट्री से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, that is known as the scalar product। These two will be multiplied to each of this entry, 2 into this 2.1, 2 into 3, 2.2, 2 into 5, 2 into 2, sorry, 2 into 5, 2 into 1, 2 into 6, right? समझ में आ रहा है? Getting that, right? So the value is what? This 4.2, 6, 4, 10, 2, 12. So this is the what? Scalar multiplication. In this way you can multiply any non-zero number, and keep in mind this scalar multiplication, whenever we are taking this k must be a non-zero. If you are multiplying 0, that each entry will be what? 0. So there is no use of multiplying 0. Now combination of or linear combination of the matrices means what? Whenever we have n number of matrices, p number of matrices, and the same number of scalars means कोई भी real numbers रहेंगे, अगर उतने ही हमारे पास हैं, so such type of scalar multiplication in addition or subtraction, यहाँ पे subtraction भी use कर सकते हैं, तो this subtraction or this addition, actually whenever we are taking addition, this addition is known as a linear combination, because subtraction is a special type of linear addition, subtraction को भी addition consider किया जाता। So whenever we are combining that scalar multiplication and addition, so such type of combination of matrices and scalar is known as linear combination of these much matrices. For example, suppose we have 3 matrices, 1, 2, 3. So the linear combination of this, for this we require 3 scalars. How many scalars? 3. And see, keep in mind the order of these, order of this, order of this. What is the order? Yeah. Order of this is what? 2/3. Likewise 2/3, 2/3. So then only the addition is possible. Order तीनों की same होनी चाहिए. So we want to find this a1 plus 2 times a2 minus 0.5 times a3. So क्या करना है? Simply only we have to multiply this scalar to scalar multiplication अभी देखा हमने, ये हर एलिमेंट को मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, ये हर एलिमेंट को मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, और एडिशन एलिमेंट वाइज होगा। गेट? Let us try to solve this. Addition of this, just keep all the entries of the matrices. Matrices की entries put up कर लो, 5, 6, 2, 3, 2, 1. This is 2, 2.1. Likewise 0.5 into these entries. So multiply these two inside each and every element. हर element को multiply करो. So this matrix you will get, this matrix you will get, and this matrix. So you will get After adding element wise, 5 plus 4.2, that is 9.2. 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1 point, this minus 12 minus 1.1, that is 10.9. This 2 plus 4, 6 minus 1, 5. Likewise 3 plus 10, 13 minus 1.5, 11.5. 2 plus 2 minus 1.75. And 1 plus 12, 13 minus 3, 10. So this is what scalar multiplication and addition or subtraction. This is known as linear combination. Got? So today what we have seen is what is the meaning of addition of matrix, what is the meaning of subtraction of the matrix, and what is the meaning of scalar multiplication, scalar multiplication of the matrices, and the combination of all these is nothing but the linear combination of matrices. So we have not taken too much examples on this because these are the trivial things. ये simple चीजें हैं, इसके बेस पे हमको आगे example देखने हैं. But to understand this, what we require? The understanding of the concept. So ये जब तक नहीं समझेंगे आगे के concept हमको नहीं समझेंगे. Got? So in the next lecture we will see the higher concepts. Thank you.